Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is Vlogmas. I believe it's day 21. And today I am going to do an update video on my vision board. So I thought it would be a good time to do it because it's the end of the year. It's a good Vlogmas video. And I've been wanting to do an update on it, so what better time than now. In the beginning of the year, it was like around the end of January, I had made a video on my vision board for 2020, and I just kind of wanted to get into it now and see, give you the update of what came true, or how it's going. So let's get into the update. All right, so let's get into it. I had put no bad days on here. Was like the first thing I put on there, and it was just because I wanted to remember to like stay positive and stay happy. And the update on that is it's going pretty well. I mean, I obviously had some rough days, but I just kind of reminded myself that I can always work through it, and I have worked through it, so I am always going to work through it. So that's kind of what the update on that. I had put some quotes like imagine yourself living peacefully, doing what you love, and things like that. Mentally picture yourself radiant, strong. So I think that's what it says. Yeah, I'm full of life. So I kind of have been doing that and just kind of trying to remember to do what I love to do and not fall back into thinking that I can't, live a life like that. So that's the update on that. I had put this picture here, which I hope you guys can see. This one here, which basically was just portraying someone working from home, and I've been doing that all year. So that is true. That did come true. Update on that. I've been working on social media from home all year, which was my goal. I had put that I wanted a desktop Mac because my laptop gets really hot and it's hard for me to work on it, to edit all day. And the update on that is it's in the works. I have actually talked to an old college friend to figure out exactly what computer I want. Shout out to Vince. And shout out to meeting cool people in college. But yeah, we talked about it, so we kind of got the specs and everything like that. So it is in the works. I do have to watch my budget because I do work for the airport, and all of the airport employees, we lost our jobs. So my budget is a little bit, I need to watch it. It's a little bit on hold right now, but that is in the works. So that's the update on that one. I had put Pechanga on here as a casino, and it's a vacation spot, but it's open, the casino's open, but the pool isn't open, so I haven't gone on my little mini vacations there, so that's sad, but that's the update on that. I did have a couple cocktails at home though, so there's that. I have Fashion Nova Ambassador on here. I didn't really work on that too much, but that's okay. I'm still an ambassador for a Canadian company, which I had mentioned in my first video. And then I had put braces on here. I didn't end up getting braces yet. I probably will do that in the future. I put Adobe programs on here. Those are also in the works. That kind of goes hand in hand. That's for editing purposes. I put this luxury apartment complex on here. And the update on that is I did actually go look at a luxury apartment that I liked a lot. And it has a saltwater pool, which I didn't know, but was an extra plus. But that apartment is $1,000 more than my current place. So it's a little out of my budget right now, but again, I am working towards that. So that's the update on that. I put nails on here because I wanted long nails. So you can see the update on that. I did get long nails. I realized I don't need long nails all the time, and I don't want long nails all the time. But that was just on there because I could never get long nails because I'm a bartender and I can't have them at work. So, but I realize now they're fun, and you know, I put them on for videos and photo shoots and stuff, but I don't like having them on all the time. I work better with short nails. I put YouTube on here. I wanted, it's a little, has water damage, but I wanted 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours watched. And the update on that is that I have, my channel's actually been growing really fast since I started Vlogmas, so that's really cool. So I'm at almost 400 subscribers, I think, so I don't think it'll be too long to reach 1,000. The reason for these numbers is because that's how you become a YouTube partner and get paid. And then the 4,000 hours watched, I'm at over 1,000 right now, which is amazing to me. So we're on our way. That's the update on that. And then I had put this Dr. Terry Dubrow, and then basically it was that I wanted plastic surgery. I was trying to get a breast reduction because I'm really uncomfortable in that area. And the update on that is I did find an amazing doctor in my local area. So I will be able to afford it. And it is in the works. It's just that I had an asthma flare. So I cannot go under anesthesia right now. So probably this will happen next year. So it's update on that is it's in the works as well. And then I put 10,000 Instagram followers because I just wanted the swipe up button. So I do have 5 different Instagram that I run. So I don't focus on one. So it might take me a little bit longer to get each one up to where I want them to be. But they're in the works. So that's a process. What else? I think I put my books on here. I was writing 2 books, and I kind of put a post-it note on their titles. And I haven't really done anything with them. I have a lot of ideas and I've written down notes, but I haven't really written more pages. I need to get on it. I actually did write down chapters that I wanted though. And I have pages written, it's just not done. It's something I need to focus on that a little bit more. So that's the update. 2020 vision board. I will be making a 2021 vision board as well. Probably soon here. And then I also wrote down a bunch of other things that I wanted to accomplish. I watched this video from Steve Harvey actually, and he said to write down 300 things that you want to accomplish or that you just want in life, and you know, make them as outrageous and amazing as you want. Don't hold back. Just, you know, just write down anything and everything that you want. So, and he said you're gonna have, you know, a hard time when you get to number 75 or whatever, but just keep going. So I did start doing that, and I made it to 122. And he said, you know, just wait, by the end of the year you'll accomplish, you know, you'll see that you accomplish 30% of that list at least. So I'm not really good at math. I don't know what 30% of 300 is. You guys can comment down below. But I did look it over, and I did accomplish some of the things on that list. And, you know, one of them was work from home on my own business. So that is, again, accomplished. I put, you know, all dental work fixed, and that was accomplished. I did get all my dental work fixed. I put lose 10 pounds, which I did do with my trainer. And I'll probably make a video on how we worked on that together. But yeah, I did lose 10 pounds this year since I started training. I put eat more vegetarian. food, and I have been trying to eat more vegetarian. I put fresh fruits in the fridge at all times. That I have been having fresh fruit in the fridge at all times. You know, these are just reminders, and they can be small and they can be as big as you want them to be. I put see my photographers more, and I did do that this year. I did actually see 3 of my photographers this summer, so that was good. Connect with my fans easily. I've been connecting with everyone on all different social media platforms, and it's been pretty good. I put nails done again. I've been just doing like glue-on nails, so it's easy, and then I just pop them off right after. Tanning salon, I did get that done when I was doing my photo shoots. Go for a hike 3 times a week. I was doing that before my asthma flare, so I'll probably go back to doing that. I put have a quiet fridge for filming, and I actually did realize how to do that because I realized the electric panel is in my hallway and I could just click the fridge off instead of pulling the plug out and electrocuting myself every week. So that's a positive there. I put learn how to do sound on my videos, and I've been doing better with the sound on my videos. I put YSL perfume. I got YSL perfume. I put get a hard drive. I got a couple of hard drives. Communicate better. Hopefully I've been communicating better. That's on here. Have passion and confidence in everything I do. I've been working on that, so I think that's going well. Have a successful social media business. Again, I'm working on that. I've been making moves on that. Be a role model for strength and hope. I hope that I am a role model for strength and hope. Have full energy all day. I don't have that yet. But again, I'm working on that with my trainer. Get my new car with the brilliant grill. I did that. I waited a month, I think, to get the grill I wanted on my car. And I did finally get my new car. Go on amazing photo shoots. I did go on amazing photo shoots. One of them was in San Diego. They're posted on my Instagram. I put eliminate my back pain, and I've been working on that again. Working out has helped me do that. Cook more often. I have been cooking more often. Charlotte Tilbury makeup. I got Charlotte Tilbury makeup. Work out 3 to 4 times a week. I have been working out 3 to 4 times a week. Eat clean. I think I've been eating better. Saltwater pool. That actually came in when I looked at the luxury apartment that I wanted. It has a saltwater pool, like I said. And I didn't know it did, so that was pretty awesome. That was like a plus. But yeah, that's pretty much all I have. So, you know, your vision board is not just limited to what's on there. You can make lists, and you can write in your journal or whatever, and you can always like update these things or add to them. And don't hold back, you know. They don't have to be just like simple little things that you think, you know, that's all I can accomplish, that's all I'm capable of. You know, they could be far more than that. They could be things that you didn't think you could accomplish. And when you write them down, you'll just see how like you work towards them more. You get that like extra pep in your step to work towards them. So keep believing, keep trying, and keep working hard. I'm gonna end this video here. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little sit down video. Yeah, I've been meaning to do it for a while, and I just thought Vlogmas would be a good time to do it. But yeah, happy Vlogmas, everyone. If you like this video, please hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, comment down below and tell me what your goals are. You know, if you accomplished your 2020 goals, and also what your 2021 goals will be. I'll try to make a video on my 2021 goals and maybe a new vision board soon here. So yeah, hope you guys are having an amazing day, and I will see you guys in my next video.